Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom name photo collage from a photo collage template. If you want to purchase this template, you can find the link in the description below. First, go to the last page of the template and click on Add Page. Then go back to the beginning of the template. You can select all the letters on the first page, right-click on the selection, and choose Copy. Now go back to the last page that you just created. Right-click anywhere on the white paper and choose Paste. Click on the gray background to unselect everything. Select the letters that you don't need for the design and click on the Delete button. Select each letter individually and move them close to each other. You can see the purple grid line to line up with other letter, then release your mouse to line up. Select all the letters together and move them close to the center of the page. Drag the white circle on the corners of the selection to make the letters bigger. Move the selection to the center of the page until you see the cross grid line to line up, then release your mouse. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.